Best automation tools for productivity app. The pros, the cons. Best automation tools for productivity app help you work smarter, not harder. Most people get this wrong by thinking productivity is about doing more tasks faster, but here's the surprising truth: automation is about reducing repetitive work and focusing on what truly matters. A key pro is task automation. These tools can handle emails, reminders, file organization, and workflow processes. For example, an automated system can route incoming requests to the right team member, eliminating bottlenecks and reducing errors. You won't believe how much time this can free up for strategic work. Integration is another advantage. Productivity tools often connect with apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and Trello, creating seamless workflows. This reduces app switching and keeps your tasks centralized, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Analytics and tracking are also built in. Automation platforms can track task completion, identify delays, and suggest improvements, giving you insights to optimize your daily routine. On the downside, setup can be time-consuming, and complex workflows may require technical know-how. Some tools also require subscriptions for full features, which may be a hurdle for small teams or individuals. In conclusion, best automation tools for productivity app are essential for anyone looking to maximize efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, integrating workflows, and providing actionable insights, these tools allow you to focus on high-impact work, reduce stress, and achieve more in less time.